Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to download and install the latest version of Krita on your Windows 11 PC. So to download it, first you just need to open a browser, go to Google and search for Krita. And after that you will find this krita.org. Click on this official website, and after that you will get this page of Krita website. Now you can download from here, or you can also click from download here. Click on download and it will automatically detect your system as I'm using Windows and this is the latest version. So just click on Windows installer and it will start to download, as you can see, which is only 148 MB. So we're going to wait for the download. So after completing the download, just go to the folder, then open up the Krita exe file, double click on it, and as you can see, its setup is loading here. After that, choose the language. So I'm just going to choose the English and click OK. Then click next. Then accept the license and agreement, click next. Then this is the location where you will install your Krita and this is the space required. So just click next and just let the selection as default, click next and click I agree. Then choose the start menu folder, click next. Then create a desktop icon, yes, and click install. And it will start to install on your PC. And now Krita is successfully installed on my PC. So just click next and click finish. As you can see, I have created a desktop icon. So just double click to open the Krita application. First time it will take some time. Now as you can see, our Krita application is successfully installed on our PC. So that's it guys. This is how you can install Krita in Windows 11. So if you found this video helpful, please subscribe and thank you for watching.